Hello there, this is my first video about how I'm creating sculptures. So this is basically a sculpture of pear. I'm just starting out, I cut it out from 1.2mm TIG metal sheet, and then I'm gonna weld it. So now I'm bending all these parts, and then I'm gonna weld it. But first of all, I need to assemble my welder. Things I need to welding gloves, reduction lentil, this is how I'm putting this in here, and then I'm gonna strap it with this. Okay, let's open up this Sherman welding machine. So basically this is how it looks. What else? We have this. This one. Here is the manual. To be honest with you, this is my very first welder, and yeah, we'll assemble it and I'll try it tomorrow. Since I'm completely new in this world, I'm not gonna do it just by myself. I sent myself to a welding course, and yeah, just let it try. So for now, it's done. I'm gonna put it in the car and let's continue tomorrow. So maybe you are wondering what is the end result of my welding. So somehow I forget to record all the process. So here is the final pear sculpture. I'm aware it's not perfect. Some of the welds are ugly and looks bad, but this is my first welding attempt, so be kind to me.